From breaking records to setting new national benchmarks, Caribbean athletes stole the spotlight at the 2024 NCAA Outdoor Track and Field Championships. This was indeed a remarkable showcase of talent and determination. In this video, you'll witness historic performances and inspiring stories of grit and glory from the likes of Nickisha Pryce, Romaine Beckford, Rhema Otabor, and Ackelia Smith, all of whom won titles at the NCAA Outdoor Championship. Ready to dive into the unforgettable moments? Let's get started. After long months of training, meets after meets on a weekly basis, it all came down to one championship meet where athletes not only compete to win titles, but to break records and reach heights that have never been reached before. Tracktown, USA in Eugene, Oregon was lit up between June 5th and the 8th for the athletes to show the world that the NCAA is indeed the best collegiate forum for track and field. At this year's staging of the meet, the University of Florida was able to win the men's team title with a total of 41 points, and the University of Arkansas won with 63 points. Our Caribbean athletes were able to put on quite a show, and they did not disappoint. The meet began for the Caribbean in the women's javelin, where University of Nebraska's Rhema Otabor, representing the Bahamas, threw the implement to a new collegiate record and national record of 64.19 meters to take the win. This was quite a shocking performance by the Bahamian, and she was quite elated that this performance qualified her to attend the Paris Olympics. Romaine Beckford of the University of Arkansas had his most competitive competition in the high jump this season. The competition saw Romaine Beckford clearing the bar at a season's best of 2.26 meters to defend his title. Beckford was quite happy with this win, despite having injuries throughout the season. He should be at the Jamaican Olympic Trials chasing the Jamaican Olympic Trials standard of 2.30 meters. Jamaica's Nickisha Pryce, representing the University of Arkansas, led home an Arkansas clean sweep in the 400 meters. Nickisha Pryce ran a national record of 48.89 seconds to become tied as the 14th fastest woman in history with Mexico's Ana Guevara. This was quite a historic performance from Nickisha Pryce, as she was the first Jamaican woman to break the 49 seconds barrier and broke a long-standing Jamaican national record of 49.30 seconds done by Lorraine Fenton at the 2002 Monaco Diamond League. To put this performance in context, Nickisha Pryce is now the third fastest Caribbean woman of all time, behind Shawnee Miller-Weibo of the Bahamas and Marilady Paulino of the Dominican Republic. Nickisha Pryce will now look forward to making the Paris Olympic team. In the field, Jamaica's own Ackelia Smith was able to return from injury to win both the long jump and the triple jump for the University of Texas. In the long jump, Ackelia Smith leaped 6.79 meters and 14.52 meters to be the only Caribbean athlete to win 2 titles at this year's NCAA Championship. Other point-scoring athletes at the NCAA Championship for the Caribbean include Jamaica's Wayne Pinnock of the University of Arkansas, who placed 5th in the long jump with 7.98 meters, and his countryman Nikolai Williams of the University of Oklahoma was 8th with 7.76 meters. Jamaica's Raquel Broderick of the University of Southern California placed 2nd in the discus with a throw of 61.77 meters, and his countryman Luke Brown, who represents the University of Kentucky, placed 5th in the triple jump with a leap of 16.44 meters. Javon Powell of Jamaica, who competes for the University of Florida, was 3rd in the 400 meters with a personal best of 44.54 seconds. For the women, Brianna Liston of Jamaica, who competes for Louisiana State University, placed 2nd in the 100 meters with a wind-aided 10.89 seconds. Her countrywoman Lamara Diston of Texas A&M cleared 1.19 meters to place 4th in the high jump to rule out the Caribbean performances at the 2024 NCAA Outdoor Championship. This was quite a fantastic showing for our Caribbean athletes, and we cannot wait to see them in action at their respective Olympic trials in a few weeks' time. What was your favorite Caribbean performance at the NCAA Championship? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As we approach the 2024 Paris Olympics, we are your one-stop for everything Caribbean athletes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in Caribbean sports. This is Caribbean Focus Sports. See you in the next video.